Hello and welcome. My name is Johan Elof, founder and director of Ruth A. Rough Sleeper. And today I want to share something close to the bone. I'm walking a journey right now, maybe like you. I don't have a building, I don't have secure funding, I don't have visible fruit, but I do have a word, a calling, a deep sense that God said, Ruth the rough sleeper. And with that word, I have set off empty handed. And maybe you are walking too with nothing but God's promise in your heart. Let's walk this episode together. In John chapter 4, there's a man, the royal official, whose son is dying. He hears about Jesus that is near, and he leaves his home in Capernaum to find him in Cana, a 30-kilometer walk. He doesn't know if Jesus will heal, he just goes. And when he finds Jesus, he begs, Please, come, my son is dying. And Jesus replies, Go, your son will live. That's it. No miracle, no proof, just a word. And then the man turns around and walks all the way back, empty handed, but holding that word. That's faith. And that's exactly where I am, and maybe where you are too. You see, this calling to Ruth the rough sleeper didn't come with clarity, it didn't come with a sponsor, it came with a conviction and a picture of what could be for them. I've knocked on doors, made plans, shared the dream, and many times I've gone to bed thinking, Lord, is this real or just my idea? I get no lightning, no booming voice, but still, that sentence burns in my heart. Your son will live. For me, it sounds like this vision of yours will live. I believe God spoke, and so I keep walking. Maybe you are listening and you're on your own 30-kilometer journey. Maybe you've stepped out in faith, starting something for the addicted, for maybe the forgotten, maybe for the overlooked. Maybe you are planting a church, writing a book, launching a shelter, feeding strangers, and you've got no support, no sign, just a word. Let me say this gently. You're not behind, you're not failing, you're walking in faith. And the walk itself, listen carefully, is worship. The official probably sat or slept over in Cana, with no news, just silence. And I imagine he tossed and turned. What if I misunderstood? Why didn't Jesus come with me? Is my son already gone? This is the space between promise and proof. And this is where character is formed. I've been in that space. I'm still am. I wake up wondering, is it foolish to keep believing? But friend, listen, this is the walk that forges trust. One step at a time, on the strength of a whisper. As the man neared the home, his servants met him with the news. Your son is alive. He asked what time the healing came, and it was exactly when Jesus had spoken. What does that tell us? That God had already moved. Before the man saw results, the miracle had already begun. And I believed the same for you and for me. The moment you step out, said yes, start walking, God was already working. So, here's what I want to leave you with. If you are walking with just a word, if the vision is clear but the road is foggy, if you are showing up day after day with no proof, only promise, you are not crazy. You are not alone. You are just like the man in John 4. And I am with you, walking with you this road too. My name is Johan Elof, and I'm building Roof a Rough Sleeper one word at a time. And if you are walking a similar path, I'd love to hear your story. Let's walk this journey of faith together. Subscribe, share this with someone on your walk, and keep the word alive in your heart. Until next time, keep walking.